have been sent this box. It's a Joie Muze LX. Seems like it's a stroller for Isabella. So I'm just gonna open it and see what's in and how cool it is. Oh my god, I think I needed that. Cranberry. Oh yeah, cranberry. Nice. Oh, it's like cherry.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. I'm a little bit excited about this though, because so it says on the box that it's from birth to up to 15 kilos and simple system. Folds in a flash. Let's see if I can do this. Oh god.
It's classic. This is good. Front me in.
Okay.
Oh, it looks nice. It looks nice.
Nice color.
Oh, you're gonna have to build it. You're gonna have to put the wheels on.
I'm gonna start with the easy part. I'm excited because the stroller we have at the moment is okay. It didn't make it all the way to Brazil, but you know, it definitely did not fold this small.
In general, have you been happy with the strollers you've tried? Because you've tried a few different strollers, right?
One was too big for Mumbai. It didn't fold small, so it's really easy to carry around. The second one we have is super flimsy, super hard to maneuver. I don't think.
How does this one look compared to the others?
Already looks a lot more sturdy and a little bit heavier, which means I think means good. Sturdier. I already said it.
Sturdier. I quite like the color.
I like the color too.
Did you read the instructions?
I never read instructions. Oh, but maybe I should. Deluxe Roomy Rider. Oh, this looks good. Okay. Okay, released. Maybe I should put the stuff at the bottom first.
Put the wheels on, yeah.
Babe, which one's the front? This or this?
It doesn't matter, they spin around. Oh, that was super easy.
That's it?
Is it locked in?
How's it possible?
That was easy. Okay, try the other one.
Oh my god, this is cool.
Then the other ones. Oh wow. Easy as making a banana bread.
My carrot cake.
Easy, yeah, your microwavable carrot cake recipe.
It wasn't a microwave.
Recipe coming soon.
It's not a microwave cake though. I tried it. This is really nice. Nobody reads that. Okay, so I needed help and Alan's just gonna put the wheels for me because we don't want any accidents.
Yeah, these are the back wheels. So it's pretty simple. That goes on. And then the washer. And this little guy.
This is definitely an engineer's job.
I don't know if these are technically hubcaps, but tab straps. And then this just clips on. This at the back, it's your rebreak key, and just slides in.
Oh my god, it's really good. It's so
Super
easy.
simple.
Let's just see what this looks like.
Muito bem.
Nice cushioning. Feels like it's safe. What is the 5-point harness?
It's a 5-point harness, like a rally driver.
Well, Mumbai streets wait for us as soon as we can after the lockdown. We'll be strolling around. I think my jokes are really good. Oh, okay.
Nice. How's the action?
Oh my god, now I see why it's for newborn, obviously, because it just like
Super flat.
goes super flat. Like a bed. And it's nice. I mean, she can just have a nap anywhere. So as I was trying to close the back, I will close it. I would have this, I would maybe have a zipper over here so it's just more secure. Because I don't think a Velcro, well, saying that, there's a bit of a barrier here. But it's very tough. You know when she's pushing herself?
Yeah.
Like she kind of slides backwards. Also, you can't leave your baby unattended anyway, ever, never. Never, ever. So, yeah, but I think having a zipper would be, I would feel more, more
Comfortable?
comfortable.
Confident?
So we have to put all the accessories on. Looks like you can keep your baby nice and dry. Fully covered. Really nice protection. Cup holders. Cell phone holder. I'm joking, I don't know if this is a cell phone holder, but yeah, to keep mama and daddy hydrated. So we're gonna take this out for a spin as soon as we can, and then I'll let you know if Isabella is happy with it. Mama is happy with it. And daddy too, right?
Absolutely.
Cool. Thank you so much, guys.